Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix we have run into a problem. Please try again later. Apple ID problem. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type Apple ID problem that you get the pop-up message, we have run into a problem. Please try again later. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it's nothing else. It's just a network issue. You can refresh your network settings to fix the issue. So now to do that, you have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a strongest and stable network connection. If you're using cellular, so try to use your Wi-Fi network. So after that, enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN because your VPN affect location based content. Then go back, open transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete your data, it's just only reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, airdrops, and also including your hotspot. And once your network setting has been resetted, your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to update your software. Open setting, go for general, go for software update, and try to update your software. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to make a force restart to your iPhone. It might be a glitch of your system or your iOS, so now to fix that, you have to make a force restart. To do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So now try this. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.